Good evening, friends. First, we'll look into how market moved today, and then we'll look into the charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Today, if we see the market, it opened at around 15,920 in the first 7 minutes odd, but it just fell and it started at around 15,860 odd after the 9-7 pre-market opening stage, but it couldn't sustain the gap up it opened in the initial 7 minutes, like it went to 920. uh, After seeing market throughout the whole day, there was nothing, no movement. It was just trading in between around 15,890 and 15,860, just 20 to 30 odd points. uh, it just felt like that there was no movement in the market, there was no trading going on. But let's see the charts, what charts tell. Before that, we just look at the top gainers and top losers for today. Okay, the top gainer was Asian Paints with 2.88% increase, and HDFC Life with 1.78%, Axis Bank with 1.66, ICICI Bank with 1.46%, Hindustan Unilever with 1.2. I can see something moving in Hindustan Unilever, so keep a close watch on Hindustan Unilever because it has been uh, consolidating for a long period of time. So there might be breakouts happening in Hindustan Unilever. So have a close watch on that. And coming to losers, Divi Slab with minus 1.57, Adani Ports with 1.56, Coal India 1.41, Tata Motors 1.11, Bajaj Finserv 1.06. One more stock to watch out is Tata Motors. I'll tell you in the charts stage. Some breakout is going to happen at some levels. I'll show you in the charts period. Kindly please like our video, share, subscribe to Financial Omniscient. It is even available in Instagram also. Coming to Bank Nifty charts, it looks like it has been consolidating from the last 7 to 8 trading sessions, and somewhere around 34,500 to 34,900 has been a great support zone. For tomorrow, the market, if gap downs, 34,900 will be a crucial support, and if it breaches, you can go short until 34,500, but it will be a great zone. So I think don't short here, you just wait. If it goes below 34,500, short, you can go for short. But if it opens gap up, the next just resistance is at 35,700, and most probably if it is broken, it will, you can go long for at least 400 500 points in Bank Nifty. But I don't feel that's going to happen tomorrow. It might take 2 to 3 trading sessions. I think that the mm, trend will be, it will come somewhere here in this zone, and it will touch this trend line somewhere, and it will jump back. Looking at some previous charts, so it was always in the upper trend from the last 15 to 20 trading sessions. Considering this, so we can see bullish momentum in even the coming trading sessions. So I think the market may end this series somewhere at around 36,000 or 36,500 if it becomes more bullish, or it might be in the zone which we have created, this triangle. It can happen, even it can be in this zone until the expiry of this month. But if it breaks this, you can go long until 36,500, and if it even breaks, you can go long until 37,000, the previous high which it made. Coming to Nifty, it has been bullish from around last 10 to 15 trading sessions, and I don't see any doubt in that. With everything going around, the COVID cases coming down, and the yearly AGMs of all the Nifty companies are going to happen in the next 15 to 20 days. So I believe that the bullish momentum is gonna sustain or at least consolidate in these trading ranges only. Until this trend line is broken, you can go on buy every dip. There was a dip, it was bought. There was a dip, it was bought. If there is any dip, if it comes and touches at least this trend line, you can buy. So for Nifty, you can keep something like that, keep buy every dip. Until Nifty doesn't reach 15,600, I don't see any bearishness in the market for at least for the short term. Um but we'll see how it turns out in the next 7 to 8 trading sessions. Coming to Tata Motors chart, it's a weekly chart. Uh, in the last 15 to 20 weeks, it has been forming a flag pole formation. If it breaks out, the targets would be at around 570, which coincides even with this trend line, and the breakout will come at around 360. So keep a watch out on this stock again. Coming to our channel updates, there will be a everyday video from today, and every month there will be a fundamental pick which will be explained in a detailed way why we have chosen the stock and what are the important parameters you need to look into while selecting a stock for a long term investment. And there will be a series on basics of stock markets even. So kindly please follow the channel to get more updates about stock markets.